Hi everyone, we'll discuss about the state space representation. In the state space represent, we are going to see the first method, that is by using the phase variables. Okay, this is very simple and very easy method, phase variable methods. But I have to ask only they will change the numbers, coefficient of the variables. Okay, remaining all steps, all procedure is same. Let us study how to obtain state space model using phase variables. The phase variables are those variables which are obtained by assuming one of the system variable as the state variable. Remember, in the given system, we have to consider one variable as our state variable. Okay, usually that variable we are taking as the output variable, nothing but y in the equation. If output y of t is there, we have to select that is our first variable. Y of t is our first variable, so y of t is equal to x1 of t. Okay, next, what about other variables? Other variables are nothing but the derivatives of the selected system variable. Other variables means x2, x3, x4 up to xn number. We don't know the variables, but output as our x1. Y of t is our x1. Next, what about x2? x2 is differentiation of our first variable. That is, first variable selected is y of t. Okay. So like this we have to do in this system. So most of the time the system variable used is the output variable, which is used to select the state variables. Okay, we'll see, you will get the clear idea. In this system, the example, construct the state model using phase variables. The system is described by the differential equation. They have given the differential equation. This is a differential equation method. In this, they have given differential equation d cube y of t by dt cube 4 d square y by dt square plus 7 dy by dt plus 2 y of t is equal to 5 u of t. Okay, and also draw the state diagram of the given system. So in this differential method, what I said just now, in the differential method, first we have to select our first variable as the what? Output variable. Here output is what? Y of t. This is our first one. Okay, so right here our first variable x1 is y of t. So this is our x1. x1 is equal to y of t. Then what about x2, x3, x4? I already said that x2, x3, x4 are nothing but derivatives of the previous one. So here derivatives of it, that is nothing but y of t, gives the remaining state variables. So x1 is our y of t, first variable is y of t here. Next, x2 is nothing but derivative of y, that is x2 is equal to y dot of t, nothing but x1 dot of t. Y dot of t means nothing but x1 dot of t, that is nothing but dy by dt. Getting all of you? So x2 is differentiation of the first one, x2 is differentiation of the first one, x2 is equal to x1 dot, x2 is equal to y dot. Then what about the next variable x3? x3 is equal to x2 dot, x3 is equal to x1 double dot, or x3 is equal to y double dot. All should be same. x3 is equal to x2 dot, x2 dot is equal to y double dot, nothing but d square y by dt square. Getting all of you? Here only three variables, x1, x2, x3. Why only three variables I have written here? Because in the equation differentiation n order is how much? 3. N is equal to 3. First y of t, then first differentiation, second differentiation, third differentiation. Only n is equal to 3, third order differential. Hence this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is not x4, this is nothing but x3 dot. Listen here all of you. Here order n is equal to how much? Order of the equation is 3. Hence we have to write x1, x2 and x3. The order of the equation is 3. Whatever third variable is there, we have to write the equation for the third variable. So here third variable is the what? Last variable is what here? x3. So write x3 dot is equal to x3 dot from the equation. So don't write x4 here. Getting all of you? x1, x2, x3, x3 dot. Okay, n is equal to 3, hence x3 dot we have to write from the equation. If here d raised to 4 is there, we have to write x4 dot. Getting? See here. So how many variables are there? x1, x2, x3, 3 variables are there. So we have to write 3 state equations. x1 dot for x1 variable, x2 dot for x2 variable, x3 dot for x3 variable. So right here 3 variables are there. So we have to write 3 state equations for the 3 variables x1, x2, x3. Therefore, see here from the equation x1 is equal to y of t, x2 is equal to what? x1 dot of t. Therefore, shall I write x1 dot is equal to x2, x2 dot is equal to x3. Then what about x3 dot? See, x1 dot is equal to x2 from the equations here. x1 dot is equal to x2, x2 dot is equal to x3. Then what about x3 dot? Already starting only I said, right? Here order is 3, so third order variable differentiation we have to take it from the given equation. So x3 dot right from the given equation. Getting? See here x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot we have to write from the equation. So the given equation is this one. We have to substitute all variables. We have to substitute all variables here. This is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. This is x3 dot. x3 dot is equal to this equation. Very important thing you have to remember here is whatever state equation we are writing, you know that state equation is nothing but what? X dot is equal to ax plus bu. This is our state model, right? And y is equal to cx plus du. Where state equation x dot is equal to what? Ax plus bu. Therefore, x dot is the only first differential, and in this equation remaining all terms are variables, no differentiation. This is only a differential term. Differential is equal to all variables. Getting? Therefore, x1 dot is equal to variable, x2 dot is equal to variable, x3 dot is equal to all should be variables. Therefore, write x3 dot from the given equation. Order is 3, so order 3 state equation you have to write from the given equation. Substitute x1, x2, x3 in the given equation. X3 dot plus x3 plus x2 plus x1 is equal to 5 u of t. Therefore, x3 dot is equal to this equation. From the in this equation we have to substitute. This is x1, x2, x3, and this is x3 dot, right? This is x1, x2, x3. This is not x4. x4 is nothing but what? Differentiation of the previous one. x3 is equal to what? Differentiation of the previous one. x2 is equal to what? Differentiation of the previous one. Right? x1, x2, x3, x4. So we have to write the equation x3 dot from the given equation. Next, x1 dot is equal to x2, x2 dot is equal to x3, x3 dot is equal to x4. This is what our final state equations in the given problem. So write x3 dot from the given equation. x3 dot is equal to, you will get this equation. So I'll combine all these, x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot. Therefore, x dot is equal to ax plus bu. This is our state equation, right? So these are the what? A values. Okay. Plus u coefficient is this one, that is b values, right? Therefore, this state equation write in a matrix form. So 3 variables are there. X dot is nothing but 3 values, x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot. Already I said, right? It is a column 3 cross 1. This is a square matrix. This is the column matrix. This is the square matrix, right? So x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, only 3 differentiation are there. N is equal to 3 variables. Therefore, x1 dot is equal to, see here, x1 dot is equal to, x1 is 0, only x2 is there, x3 is 0, input is 0. Therefore, x1 dot is equal to x1 0, x2 coefficient is 1, x3 is 0. Okay, x1 dot is equal to 0 into x1, 1 into x2, 0 into x3 plus 0 into u. There is no input, only x2 term is there, coefficient is 1. Next, x2 dot is equal to x3. Therefore, x2 dot is equal to 0 into x1, 0 into x2, 1 into x3. Only x3 is there, 0, 0, 1. x1 0, x2 0, x3 one coefficient plus input is 0 into u of t, right. Next, x3 dot is equal to minus 2x1, x3 dot is equal to minus 2x1, next minus 7x2, next minus 4x3 plus 5u of t plus 5u of t, right. These are the what state equations, 3 variables, 3 state equations, matrix form. So output starting I have selected y of t is equal to x1 of t, right. So y is equal to x1, right here y is equal to cx plus du, our output equation. So y is equal to c into x of t 1, and here write x1, x2 and x3, 1 into x1, 0 into x2, 0 into x3, right. This is the what our state model in the matrix form. Next, what they asked in the question, also draw the state diagram. Also draw the state diagram of the system. See, already you know that adder means what? Here one x1 input and here second x2 output is what? Here addition is there, one input, second input, outgoing is equal to x1 plus x2. Incoming, here adder is there, right? Plus and plus. So x1 plus x2 is outgoing. So for the integration we are using this symbol, okay, or you can use this symbol for integration, okay. So x1 dot integrate gives x1, right. So for this integration term we have to use this integral form. See, we can write x1 dot is equal to, how to draw block diagram for this, this integration, use this one. So which is the input here? x1 dot is there, x1 dot integrate it, x1 dot integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? x1, right. So you will get x1 by using this integration term. So we can use this simple term for the state diagram. So state diagram, how many variables are there here? 3 variables, 3 state equations. So x1 dot, x2 dot, x dot. x1 integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? x1, x2 dot integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x2, x3 ನ ಡಾಟ್ ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಮೂರದ್ರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 3 ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ n ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂದ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n minus 1, n minus 2 ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ x3 dot, x2 dot and x1 dot like this, okay. x3 dot ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? x3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. x3 is equal to what? x3 is equal to x2 dot. ಈ x2 dot ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? x2, okay. But in the equation x2 is equal to what? x2 is equal to x1 dot. Therefore x2 is equal to x1 is equal to x1 dot. x1 dot ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? x1. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಹೈಯರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವ 3 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇಂದ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 4 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ x4 ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? x4 is equal to x3 ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ x3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ x2 is equal to x1 dot, x3 is equal to x2 dot. So whatever you got x3 here, that is nothing but x2 dot. x2 dot ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ x2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. x2 is equal to x1 dot. x1 dot ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್? Then after this we have to put the values, okay. See here in this equation x3 dot is equal to what? Minus 2x1 minus 7x2 minus 4x3. So draw this in the here minus 4 into x3, right. Where is the x3 variable? x3 variable here, right. This is our x3 variable here. What is the multiplication for this x3? Minus 4. So minus 4 in a block, take x3 and add here. Put here negative feedback, right. So minus 4x3. x3 dot is equal to x3 dot incoming, okay. So this is outgoing, minus x3 dot is equal to x3 into minus 4. So x3 dot is equal to minus 4x3, right. Next, minus 4x3 is over. Next minus 7x2, minus 7 into x2. Where is the x2 variable? All these is equal to what? x3 dot. You have to take it from the x3 dot. Therefore I have taken here adder x3 dot, here adder. Okay, next minus 7x2, minus 7 into x2. Where is the x2? x2 is here. Okay, minus 7, multiply, right, block diagram into signal, minus 7 into x2, where to come? Here. Okay, x3 dot is equal to minus 7x, minus 4x2 and minus 7x2. See here, incoming, 1 incoming and second incoming. First incoming is minus 4 into x3 and here minus 7 into x2. Next, last is minus 2 into x1. Where is the x1 variable? x1 is here, x1 into minus 2. Therefore, here getting x3 dot is equal to, see here, x3 dot is equal to 1 incoming, 2 incoming, 3 incoming. See here, x dot is equal to, what is the equation? First, second, third, 3, right? So, minus 4 into x3, minus 7 into x2, minus 2 into x1. Okay, this is x3 dot you got. Plus what is there here? Plus 5 into input u of t. See, usually while drawing the block diagram, input should be in the first. So, 5 into u of t. 5 into u of t plus all. This gives the x3 dot. Okay, whatever they give the problem, you have to draw the same block diagram, same type of the equation, same matrix, only these inside values only changes. Okay, so coefficients we are writing usually in the blocks. Okay, these are the variables. If x4 is there, you have to take the one more integration and one more like this. Getting all of you? So x3 dot is equal to minus 4 into x3, minus 7 into x2, minus 2 into x1, plus 5 into u of t. This is also incoming signal. This is what state diagram.